Payload and reach alone do not settle a 6-axis choice. This is one arm family, working 3 completely different cells. First, machine tending the arm reaches inside the machine and back out.
What binds here is access, whether the wrist still has room to turn inside.
Second, arc welding. The part stays put and the arm sets the torch angle. What binds here is attitude. The same seam welds badly from the wrong pose. Access and attitude are not the same thing. Reaching it is not welding it well. That one only settles on a real test piece, not on screen. Third, glass handling, where the tool is a full vacuum cup frame. What binds here is tool payload. Frame weight and offset both count. All 3 come down to one line. Fix the part and the tool, then pick the robot. Send part weight, end effector concept and cell space.